right, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So the last day of 2022 as an electrician, me and Steven worked this morning, came in early and got this occupancy sensor switched out. I was having problems, it wasn't working, so we had to lock out the 277 lighting, which was tied to that, and then we got that fixed, and then turned the circuit back on and relabeled the switches for this room and the room next door because they're on the same circuit. And then so we got those two relabeled, and then from there we went ahead and walked another job with one of the facilities guys, but don't have that footage because Steven recorded that, and I called him and he didn't pick up, so that's on him. Anyways, I would have put that in the video. Other than that, went ahead and worked on demo the rest of the day on the black arrow, started down on the second floor and took out the old TRIs, pulling out the wire in the pink, and then pulling out the pink going through the hallway. As you can see, there's a spot missing in suite 231 where we didn't get to finish because that was occupied suite. So we'll do that on Tuesday when we go back to work. The black square, we took out a old duct detector, and then continuing up the hallway in the pink or magenta, went ahead and took out all that wire too. Down the pipeline back to the fire alarm control panel. Didn't quite make it to the fire alarm control panel. So we're just right outside the doors right now, and then like the last J box before the final J box to go into the fire control panel, if I said that right. And then have another duct detector in black to take out, and then the black arrow is another two TRIs that we have to take out in the stairwell. And I'm not sure what the blue arrow was for, but that pretty much wraps up everything going on with the demo on the second floor. And third floor was already pretty much done from yesterday, so we didn't touch anything on that. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys back in the new year, but there is one more video coming out tomorrow. I just have to title it and label it. So I have a video done for the weekend. Yeah, the weekend. So I have a video done for tomorrow and the next day, so Saturday and Sunday. And maybe make a video for Monday. I brought my tools home, so if that gives you any idea of what the videos are coming, that is what is coming. So I haven't said too much, but I haven't said enough. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys back in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.